Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace fuel injectors. First, gather all your essential tools, such as a fuel line disconnect tool and your new injectors. Next, for safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. It is crucial to relieve the fuel system pressure before you start any further work to prevent fuel spray and potential hazards. This preparation ensures a safer and smoother replacement process. Now, let's move on to removing the old injectors. Begin by carefully disconnecting the fuel lines and all electrical connectors attached to the injectors. Next, locate and remove the mounting bolts that secure the fuel rail. Once the rail is loose, you can gently pull the old injectors straight out from their seats in the manifold. Be mindful of any remaining fuel. With the old injectors out, it's time to install the new ones. First, lubricate the O-rings on your new injectors with a small amount of clean engine oil. This helps them slide in smoothly. Then, firmly press each new injector into its seat in the manifold, followed by reattaching the fuel rail. Finally, reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors securely. For the final steps, reconnect your vehicle's battery. Before starting the engine, turn the key to the on position a few times without cranking to prime the fuel system, then carefully check for any fuel leaks around the new injectors. Once confirmed, start the engine and listen for smooth operation. Remember to check the description for a link to Grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your newly performing vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.